Hi, this is Kay again from kaynijo.com. Now that we have signed up for our classic Cashflow 101 game, how do we sign in? We open up a browser. This is, of course, you've already clicked on the confirmation link that was sent to your email address and you type in richdad.com. If it does not log you in automatically, no problem. You simply click on the login button here and you enter the email address with which you signed up with. If you did not change the password from what they sent you, you type in the password that's in that confirmation link email. However, if you did change the password, you type the new password in and you click login. We wait and it's taking us to the game. It's just taking a little while to load. And I'm logged in. So now I press here, play Cashflow Classic, and it will load the game. There we go. We're in. Let's get started.